सन 1865 में कुछ गिने चुने लोगों ने लाहौर में एक मुहिम चलाई, अंजुमे पंजाब। ये लोग हिंदुस्तानी नहीं थे, but they were scholars who appreciated Indian culture, scholars who understood the nuances of the Oriental languages, scholars who recognized the power of knowledge.
उन्नीस में बॉटनी डिपार्टमेंट पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी लाहौर में स्थापित किया गया था।
सन 1947 ने हमें बेघर कर दिया, हमारे परिवार के टुकड़े कर दिए, एक रिश्ते को इतिहास का पन्ना बना दिया। पर एक नई मुहिम की नींव भी रखी। 10 साल लगे हमें अपने जिस्म के हिस्से बटोरने में।
उन्नीस में भारत के विभाजन के बाद बॉटनी डिपार्टमेंट को स्थायी रूप से खालसा कॉलेज अमृतसर में बना दिया गया था, जिसके बाद 1960 में ये डिपार्टमेंट चंडीगढ़ में बनाया गया। उस वक्त हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट थे प्रोफेसर P.N. मेहरा।
ਕੁਝ ਰੁੱਖ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਤ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਨੇ, ਕੁਝ ਰੁੱਖ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਮਾਵਾਂ, ਕੁਝ ਰੁੱਖ ਨੂਹਾਂ ਧੀਆਂ ਲੱਗਦੇ, ਕੁਝ ਰੁੱਖ ਵਾਂਗ ਭਰਾਵਾਂ, ਕੁਝ ਰੁੱਖ ਮੇਰੇ ਬਾਬੇ ਵਾਕਣ ਪੱਥਰ ਟਾਵਾਂ ਟਾਵਾਂ, ਕੁਝ ਰੁੱਖ ਮੇਰੀ ਦਾਦੀ ਵਰਗੇ ਚੂਰੀ ਖਾਵਣ ਕਾਵਾਂ, ਕੁਝ ਰੁੱਖ ਯਾਰਾਂ ਵਰਗੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਚੁੰਮਾ ਤੇ ਗਲ ਲਾਵਾਂ, ਇੱਕ ਮੇਰੀ ਮਹਿਬੂਬਾ ਵਾਕਣ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਅਤੇ ਦੁਖਾਵਾਂ, ਕੁਝ ਰੁੱਖ ਮੇਰਾ ਦਿਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਏ ਮੋਢੇ ਚੁੱਕ ਖੜਾਵਾਂ, ਕੁਝ ਰੁੱਖ ਮੇਰਾ ਦਿਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਏ ਚੁੰਮਾ ਤੇ ਮਰ ਜਾਵਾਂ।
The Botany Department has grown into a well-recognized center for higher learning and research in structural, functional and evolutionary aspects of plants. In fact, this is the only botany department in the country which has the necessary expertise to attend to all plant groups. While their contributions have been tremendous in the understanding of fundamentals of plant sciences, the department has also kept pace with the changing national priorities. Some of the major areas of research in the department are improvement and propagation of economically important plants, identification of eco-friendly herbicides and pesticides, evaluation and conservation of plant biodiversity, and importance of microbes in human welfare. The department attracts students for undergraduate and postgraduate studies and even doctoral research from within and outside the country. In addition to teaching through modern techniques, seminars, symposia, workshops, invited lectures and botanical excursions are an integral part of academic program of the department. Library. The department has a well-stocked library with nearly 3,500 books and over 55 regular scientific journals. a central instrumentation lab with 2 technical experts for maintenance, caters to research needs of the faculty and the students. The Botany Department has received grants from the different agencies. The University Grant Commission has sanctioned a grant of 36 lakh rupees under the Special Assistant Program UGC SAP. The University Grant Commission has sanctioned a grant of rupees 20 lakh for Infrastructure Development Fund.
The Department of Botany, which is housed in the Kashyap block and take care of all the fields related to plant sciences. It has been already gone through the second phase of UGC DRS program and has good number of fellowship for the talented students to work on various disciplines of plant science. We also get grants from PURS award, which has been given to science departments amounting 30 crore of rupees. In addition, we have around 65 research scholars which who are busy in their work on various areas in plant science, and the total projects which are already there with the different faculty members, that amounts to nearly more than 1 crore for this year. The department has, can boast of 4 Professor Emeritus, and there are 4 deans at present, like Dean of Students Welfare, Dean of Faculty of Science, Dean of Faculty of Animal Husbandry, Agriculture and Veterinary Science, and Dean Research. So 4 positions are there with our faculty members out of the university total deans. Then fellowships of various academies are there which have been bestowed on different members of our faculty, including FNA, and almost all the academies, 1 or 2 people are there to have got those fellowships, and many recognitions from other societies, professional societies, academic societies and even office bearers of international and national societies. Department has a Panjab University Botanical Society which has been activated and takes care of all the academic and cultural and outdoor activities of the departmental students, and staff and students sometimes they visit together different places and just enjoy the harmony with nature. Faculty, of course, we are now left with only 14 members as far as the regular positions are concerned, but they are well trained and specialized in a variety of disciplines. And we almost cover all the disciplines of plant science, and if we say specifically right from algae to angiosperm and plant ecology, physiology, cytogenetics, molecular biology and morphogenesis, everything is taken care of in the best possible way. And some of our staff members have projects with collaborations with international universities and societies.
In addition to laboratory condition, the department is well equipped with net house domes, providing natural environment to experimentally cultivated plant species, and at the same time it controls and manages the pests.
Our students. Throughout we have been organizing extension lectures and invited lectures from various authorities in different areas, as also various seminars, conferences and workshops are organized in the department and with the help of our faculties, research scholars and the staff. The P.N. Mehra Botanical Garden, I think that's another a big asset for the department, which is really very useful for the training of the students in the outdoor, and that also is maintained by the department and is taken care of by them.
The department also has the P.N. Mehra Botanical Garden, spread over 16 acres of land and named after its founder. It is one of the better known botanical gardens attached to a university of the country. Special attractions in the garden for the visitors are the Arboretum with nearly 225 species of trees, the Water Garden consisting of lily ponds, and vegetated with species of Nelumbium and Nymphea. Bamboos are tall arborescent grasses belonging to the grass family. A bambusatum is present in the P.N. Mehra Botanical Garden of Panjab University, which has many bamboo species. Of considerable botanical interest is the bambusatum, with over 24 rare species of bamboos collected and grown during the last 40 years. In the fern house grow nearly 50 species of ferns and fernalies. Several interesting succulent plants collected from different parts of the country further contribute to the beauty of the garden. The cactus house has more than 100 species of cacti, while the orchid house has amazingly beautiful orchids collected from different parts of India.
रामधन मेरा नाम है। हैट माली 4 साल हो गया करते। 14 जनवरी को माली में लगा था। जी अच्छा, दिसंबर में गुलाब की कटिंग होती है। अक्टूबर में क्यारियाँ फ्लावर की बुड़ाई होती है। 18 बंदे हमारे पास काम करते हैं, बहुत सही काम कर रहे हैं।
In order to grow plants under controlled conditions, the garden has an automated greenhouse. There is a well-maintained nursery where plants are raised, multiplied, and then transplanted. The Botanical Garden, besides serving as the repository of the source material, is also geared to cater to the dire need of conserving and enriching plant biodiversity through exchange of plant and seeds.
मेरा नाम प्रभु है जी। सर्दियों में फ्लावर अगस्त सितंबर में बीजे जाते हैं और सितंबर अक्टूबर से लगना शुरू हो जाते हैं। फिर ये जो है इनके बाद गुलदाउदी का कटिंग जो है जून जुलाई में लगती है। फूल जो है उनका दिसंबर में लिए जाते हैं, यानी नवंबर से दिसंबर तक फूल उनकी खिल जाते हैं। नहीं, दिसंबर में नहीं, अक्टूबर में गुलाब का कटिंग होता है। गुलाब का ड्राफ्टिंग जो है नवंबर से लेके दिसंबर जनवरी तक होता है। इनका ड्राफ्ट करने से जो है फूल बढ़िया आते हैं। और क्यारियाँ का जो है उसमें गुड़ाई पहले की जाती है। गुड़ाई करने के बाद जो है उसमें गोबर की खाद डाल के मिक्स करते हैं। फिर जो है उसमें फ्लावर लगाते हैं। फ्लावर लगाने के बाद फिर पानी वगैरह देने के बाद जब फ्लावर थोड़ा चल जाता है फिर उनको गुड़ाई करते हैं। फिर खाद डाल के उसमें पानी भर देते हैं। फिर जो है गोडी करने वाली रहती है, गोडी करते हैं, फिर फूल अच्छे खिलते हैं।
In various classes and as far as such scholars are concerned, we have students from various states and from various countries which are who are taking or pursuing their degrees for MSc and PhDs and MPhils, and they really adapt to our culture and academic profile in a very positive manner. So we are proud of those students also.
मेरा नाम बादल है और मैं मणिपुर से बिलोंग करता हूँ और मुझे यहाँ पे 2006 से मैं यहीं पे एमएससी किया, फिर पहले पीएचडी कर रहा हूँ और मैं यहाँ पे ऐसा लगा कि होम अवे फ्रॉम होम ऐसे फील करता है। मेरे लिए एक मेमोरेबल मतलब मेमोरीज बन के रहेगा ये चीज़ें।
I'm Navid Bahir, I'm from Iran. I'm doing PhD in Botany Department in Panjab University, and Panjab University is बहुत अच्छा है।
There is a good library, a very well maintained herbarium, and also a library and a central equipment room. That instrument room caters to the needs of all our research scholars and teachers, and even adjoining departments also makes use of those facilities sometime. Then the library has sizable number of books and receives some journals, which again are for the benefit of our students.
Library. The department has a well-stocked library with nearly 3,500 books and over 55 regular scientific journals. Herbarium and the Museum. The department also houses an internationally recognized herbarium and a museum. National and foreign research workers consult the herbarium with a rich collection of pyrophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. It also provides exchangeable loan facility of specimens. Fungal herbarium is an added attraction of the department.
मेरा नाम गुरदेव सिंह है जी। गुरदेव सिंह मुंगे मैं हरबेरियम म्यूजियम का इंचार्ज है जी। मैं पूरे हिंदुस्तान की सैर की कन्याकुमारी तक। पंजाब के ऑल वेटलैंड की आइडेंटिफिकेशन मैं की जी।
A central instrumentation lab with 2 technical experts for maintenance caters to research needs of the faculty and the students.
I'm Shikha Chandel, working as a research scholar in the plant stress physiology lab under the supervision of Professor Neera Garg. The focus of our lab is on abiotic stresses and plant microbe interactions in legumes. We also deal or study in various abiotic stresses such as salt and heavy metals like arsenic, cadmium, lead, mercury, etc. And these are my lab mates.
मेरा नाम ललिता है एंड प्रोफेसर आई.बी. प्रॉशर हमारे गाइड हैं. हमारी लैब माइकोलॉजी एंड प्लांट पैथोलॉजी का काम होता है हमारी लैब में. मेनली हमारा काम जो है टेक्सोनॉमी पे होता है, जिसमें कि बसीडियोमाइसिटीज़ एंड माइक्रोमाइसिटीज़ एंड द स्क्रीनिंग ऑल्सो. ये सारी चीज़ें जो है स्क्रीनिंग ऑफ एंजाइमेटिक एक्शंस जो हैं वो हम माइक्रोमाइसिटीज़ और बसीडियोमाइसिटीज़ फंजाई पे देखते हैं.
Myself Dheeraj Kapoor. I am doing my MPhil with Dr. Kamaljeet, and the main area of our research is physiology, plant physiology, in which we work upon the various heavy metals like cadmium, effect of cadmium or heavy metal on their working, like stresses, etc.
Hi, I am Shikha Sharma and research scholar in this department, and I am working with Professor Richa Puri and Professor M.A. Sharma, and we are working on medicinal plants.
Myself, Meg, representing Lab of Algal Biology and Diversity. This is our lab, Algal Biology Lab, and we are working with Professor A.S. Aluwalia. Our core research work deals with algal biotechnology, physico-chemical parameters of water, indicators, organism of trophic status, secondary metabolites and high-value, low-volume algal products. Main algae are Spirulina, Chlorella, Synedesmus, Anomina, and Dunaliella salina. This is our culture lab, and the cultures, they are collected from the field and then they are preserved and maintained here. Thank you.
मेरा नाम रचना सेठी है और मैं डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बॉटनी पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी से पीएचडी कर रही हूँ. मेरे सुपरवाइज़र प्रोफेसर सी निर्मला हैं और हमारी लैब में टिश्यू कल्चर और बैम्बूज और ऑर्किड्स पे काम होता है. थैंक यू.
हेलो, मेरा नाम अमरप्रीत कौर है. मैं डॉक्टर एन.सी. सिद्धू के अंडर काम कर रही हूँ. मैं अभी एमफिल कर रही हूँ. मेरा टॉपिक एंटी कैंसरिक प्लांट्स पे है. मैंने अभी 3 प्लांट्स का एक्सट्रैक्ट ह्यूमन किडनी सेल्स पे ट्राई किया है और मेरे रिजल्ट्स भी पॉजिटिव आए हैं. बेसिकली सर का काम साइटोलॉजी पे है और मॉर्फोलॉजी पे है. हमारी लैब में ऑलमोस्ट 6 स्टूडेंट हैं जो साइटो पे काम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अभी सर ने जैसे न्यू टॉपिक्स लाइक डायबिटीज़ एंड कैंसर स्टार्ट कर दिया है.
Myself Priyanka Mahajan. I am working with Dr. AZ in Ecophysiology Lab. My lab specializes in allelopathy, heavy metal toxicity and essential oils in plants.
Hi, I'm Rupinder Kaur. I'm a PhD research scholar in Botany Department. I'm working in a restoration ecology lab. My particular area of work is soil sciences, and my guide is Dr. A.N. Singh. And I have a lab mate. She's doing the MPhil. She is Shruti Sharma, and she is working with the air pollution. Thank you.
I'm Anuprabha, doing PhD in Orchid lab under the supervision of Professor Pramila Pathak. I'm doing orchid seed culture. Basically, orchids are minute. I'm basically bypass the fungal requirement of the orchid seeds. Because they are very minute in size, non-endospermic, and 0.1% germination in nature, and they are required a specific orchid mycorrhiza in nature to grow. So in tissue culture, we have bypassed the fungal requirement of these seeds, or we also develop cost-effective protocols for these tissue culture plants. Orchids are very endangered in nature, so we are trying to conserve them through mass propagation. We are also doing a regeneration of the explants. We have used different explants like pseudobulbs, in vivo or in vitro raised seedlings, or leaf segments, root segments, rhizome, and moreover inflorescence segments also.
Botanical Society is actively functional in the department. It organizes educational trips and cultural activities beside study.
I'm very happy that we are getting our alumni from different years today, and we welcome them all to this department, and we are happy to have them with us, and we look forward that there is a lasting association of those alumni with the department, and they can always look forward to all kind of helps from the department, faculty, staff and students. So thank you very much.